We're gonna ask some of the people coming up to our booth what their thoughts are on Wondershare, EdrawMax, and all of our other products. Let's check it out.
My name is Bian Chao. I'm working from Huawei. My base is in Paris.
What was your name?
Tai.
And you are an engineering manager?
Yes, I'm an engineering manager.
I'm Emna Jemali, and I'm the co-founder of OneCube.
And what it is that you do at OneCube?
We coach entrepreneurs and startups.
Hi, what is your name and what do you do?
Hi, I'm Selma Sabri. I'm an engineering student and I'm working for a consulting firm.
So first of all, what is your name? And obviously you can tell me where you go to school too if you want.
So I'm Yasser Al-Cohen. I'm last year undergraduate student in the engineering school Mines Saint-Etienne in France. One of the top 10 engineering school in France, yes.
I'm using their product every day because our company, they have already acquired the license by batch for the project and also for the EdrawMax.
What do you thought about EdrawMax?
Yeah, I really loved it, especially trying the summary of the books. No, but work-wise, I think it's super. It may improve the efficiency of the teams and the time to create the PPTs, especially like for the slides. It's normally it takes a lot of time for the teams to create. So I think it just helps with the time management and like the efficiency of the team. So honestly, I really love it. Love the product.
What were your thoughts on Wondershare EdrawMax?
I think it's interesting tools, and you have many templates that can be used to fasten the presentation.
So you just tried out EdrawMax. What were your thoughts on the product and what did you like about it?
In fact, at first I was really catch up by the great level of presentation and so many elements inside that software. So I tried a quick demonstration and I was very amazed by all that level of AI that the software offers and the way it's easy to use. So I really want to deep inside more that software because it seems that's a really good tools, very nice product.
What were your thoughts on the product EdrawMax?
I think that it is a very interesting product. As an engineer, I draw a lot of diagrams and it is quite time consuming. So a project like that can really ease my work in that way.
And what were your thoughts on the program EdrawMax that you just tried?
It's quite an innovative and new program because of the fact that it's the first solution, the first AI solution to do diagrams, to do correctly diagrams on a lot of teams like blockchain or for lots of applications like computer engineering or marketing mix or other solutions like this.
And I'd love to hear some of your thoughts on how you use AI to maybe map out some ideas for the work that you do at your company, because I know it's great for idea generation and that sort of thing.
Yeah, we use for content generation first, a lot of for images and stuff like that, but we also use it in our startup. So I'm trying to learn about AI as much as possible, but I haven't thought about how to use it in video stuff. So
how does AI with these tools help you augment making those mind maps and workflows?
So we have been feeding a lot of data about the company since the whole vertical about the organ 3D printing is pretty new. There's no much data available which is done practically in a lab. So we have been feeding data for quite a bit of time, and these data the AI is helping it to curate it and also give us some predictive analysis on, for example, on the skin 3D model, how it can be validated or how it can be sold to L'Oreal. Just giving an example, what is L'Oreal looking at? So it just looks around the World Wide Web and sees what L'Oreal or other cosmetic companies are looking for, and it tells us that okay, fine, these are the expectations, from the cosmetic companies, and your product should be, having a benchmark of certain things. So it gives us a clear perspective without, personally going into a particular geography. It gives us a very clear picture on okay, what is the market expectation and how can we basically fulfill that expectation. So I think that's how the AI is helping us knowing what's going around the world. Yeah.
Do you do a lot of diagramming at work?
Yes, we do.
Have you ever used AI in diagramming before?
Not yet, but I think that's a plus for you with the AI to find quickly the type of template that we need for the presentation.
Awesome, thank you, I appreciate it. Do you think if you had a visual, like a diagram about ideas, if like you wrote something and then it had a visual diagram, it would probably be better to see the ideas than like in text?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, sounds good. We have a product that actually does that. that. So, if you want to grab one of those licenses too, you totally could. Called Wondershare EdrawMax. Thank you. I appreciate it. Do you use AI in any of your work now?
Not really.
Do you think using AI to help you diagram things to bring ideas out would make it easier?
Yes, if the security behind it is quite good, but I think it can really improve the productivity and the work. Yeah.
What do you use now for similar types of tools?
The only tool that I use that I use for this kind of application now is I think Joe.io, and yes, I use it just because the school told me to use it.
And how did you think it compared to our product?
I think it doesn't compare because of the fact that it's an AI solution in the terms that it will answer your question and you are not doing the diagram by yourself from the start to the end. So you can use the AI tool to help you make a better diagram. And then this is not possible just with Joe.io.
So when doing your work, do you ever have to do any mind mapping or brainstorming that you use AI for?
I'm doing more like a mind mapping. Since I learned mind mapping, I'm not very good, but I try to make it best.
Do you think if you had a tool where you could write out your idea and then the AI would actually spit out a mind map, it would be easier?
When I'm on a survey, I like to see what's happening on different markets. I'm good for space technology and for health technology, and I need to scan everywhere what happened there, and it's a lot of data, and I would need something to use.
When you mind map, do you just use it by hand or what?
By hand, yeah. Or I have a small tool, a free tool.
What's it called?
I wouldn't say because it's coming from a lab from a researcher.
Oh, okay.
Just gave me because he's a teacher for mind mapping.
Okay.
And that's a very small tool, but quite efficient.
Thank you to everyone who participated in an interview. We're really happy to hear all the different ways that we can make our product better and how you like it. We're definitely going to use some of the feedback in the future to make sure we make our product that much better for you. Thanks again.